Alright, so I just finally finished the second version of this power adapter. The problem I was having before was I was using a phone cord to carry the power out the backside here and then into an RJ6, which I had an RJ6 here and it was coming out and somehow splicing it into, let me get around here, this power cable that then went into the mount. And the problem was, while it could handle the voltage up to 150 volts, it was not rated for the 3 amps that the Canon can use. So I figured audio speakers take more than 3 amps. Let's use audio speaker cabling. So if I just plug this doohickey in down here, like that. Not easy doing this while you're holding a cell phone. Just run that up into the back of the mount like so. I can now come over to my Canon. And it's on. So the camera and the telescope are pointed at the ceiling of my garage. So we're effectively taking flat frames, but as you can see, the sensor comes on, we can see what's going on. This was a big problem before. I wasn't able to get this live view. It would not take a picture, but now it is. So everything's good. Go ahead and flip the switch to off. It powers off and does a sensor cleaning. If we pull that out, try to turn it on, as you can see, it will not power on. And while that's no mystery, I just wanted to show everybody that yes, indeed, I am doing through the mount cabling with the power coming in through here. There you go.